One of the great features here in your Connor home is these really excellent, quiet, high quality garage door automatic openers. But they do require some maintenance, so I want to talk for just a moment about what you should expect to do and how often you should expect to do it. I would say with garage doors, every 6 months or so is a reasonable time to give them a little bit of lubrication, And what you want to do is go to your home improvement store and you want to find a silicone-based lubricant. This is the product that we here at Connor Homes use. It's an excellent product. You can also find many others that'll fit your budget and lifestyle, but this is a great one. The key is making sure it's silicone-based. So when you do this, really what you want to be working on is you want to be lubricating the track here at the rail. So you want to be up inside of that track, making sure to get it covered, as well as you want to be lubricating periodically the tracks here on either side. There's roller wheels that fit inside this metal track. Let's make sure we get a little bit of lubricant in there as well. A couple of tips. It can be a little bit messy, so especially when you're lubricating the track, make sure your cars are out of the garage. Maybe put down a drop cloth or some paper or something for any excess that might drip below. Same thing over here. It's always great to have some gloves on and a rag with you. That way you can make sure to wipe up any excess right away. You don't have any messes that are going to ruin any of your possessions.